How to fix Honeywell portable AC not blowing cold air. Confirm the unit is plugged into a working outlet and the power cord is intact. Ensure the exhaust hose is securely attached with the bands or kings. Close and open windows or doors to prevent cool air from escaping. Shorten the exhaust hose if it's too long for effective hot air venting. Lower the temperature settings if it's too close to the room temperature. Check the air intake and outlet for blockage by furniture or objects. Clean the dust filters by tapping it to remove dust, rinsing with warm water, and drying. Confirm the timer is not set accidentally, causing the unit to shut off. Ensure the unit's BTU rating matches the room size. More windows or direct sunlight may require higher BTUs. Cover windows to reduce heat from sunlight. Review the user manual for further guidance or consider professional help if needed. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.